Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix camera blurriness on your Nothing Phone 3a Lite smartphone. Let's open the camera application to start checking. In camera application we would usually get the notification about one of the lens being smudged or dirty. But even if you don't have this notification on your screen, we can still go ahead and check the hardware, so the lenses of our camera. Just face them to the light source to detect if there is some sort of a smudge on our lenses or a dirt or debris or whatever. And also you can carefully wipe them with the microfiber cloth or just a dry towel if you don't have microfiber cloth around, to try to get rid of this dirt. Then let's check the cameras once again, and then let's go back to the camera application and see if the problem is fixed. Now if you still see the issue, it depends on when you see it. So we can actually switch the modes to check which of our lenses is smudged. The worst case scenario is when this one lens is blurred, even after you wiped it, because this one is the main camera of the smartphone. It's used in most camera modes. So yeah, that will be a problem. Now this is for the wide, ultra-wide views. So it's the ultra-wide camera. It's only used when we're zooming out and using 0.something x views. And this one is for macro recording. So if you select more and go to macro on your smartphone, then we'll actually be using this camera for it. And still, if you don't see any smudges on them, or any watermarks or whatever, you can try to use a third-party application. Now you can download any third-party camera from your Play Store. So just search for any available camera right here and try using some of them. And just check if this helps you with your issue. And if this does, then this is probably just the software issue. And in this case, we should go to Settings, then go to System, and in System, let's select System Updates. Check if there is an available update for your smartphone, and update your software to the latest version. Restart your smartphone and try using your camera once again. And if this problem doesn't get fixed for you this way, then you're gonna have to contact Nothing customer support service and tell them about this issue, and probably send your device to them for repair, or just use any other repair center around you. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.